we might see a huge return for many meme stocks like BBIG, PRTYQ, Vroom. We got many stocks pumping from the bottom. Those stocks pumped almost 500%, 1000% for some of them, and now started to reverse. BBIG pumped almost 56% on Friday. We're gonna discuss where the price will go on Monday. We might see a huge gap for BBIG, where we should enter, where we should exit with profit. Because if you don't take profit, you're gonna lose. I'm gonna give you an example here. If you are a farmer and the day of harvest come and you don't take your harvest, let's say you planted a tree of whatever, apple or orange or banana. If you don't take those fruit out, will get rotten and you miss the harvest. The same here with trading. When you have some profit, which is the harvest, you have to take it. If you want to load up on AMC and the other blue chip company, you can on Momo, because you can actually win 15 free stock when you join with my special link in comment section below. And those stocks you can win are Palantir, DKNG, Fuel Energy, Tesla, AMC. A lot of stocks you can actually win when you join Momo platform. And how you can win those stocks? This is a really great question to ask. Really simple. You can just open an account on Momo and you can get 1 free stocks. However, if you want to increase your chance to win those stocks, you can actually deposit $100 in order to win 5 free stocks. And there is no funding deposit. Platform fees, everything, level 2 data is all free. The only thing that you pay for is just 0.65 cent per contract. So this is the contract fees if you want to trade options on Momo. So use this opportunity and get you 15 free stocks with my special link in comment section below. And let's get ready back to our video. So let's get right to it and discuss BBIG, because the price it jumped on Friday and now we have support over the $1.61, which is the most important support to confirm a continuation for BBIG pump. You see what's happened here? We pumped from the $1.20 until the $2.04. This is a huge pump that happened around Friday. Let me just check how much we did here. Almost 70%. And we closed on Friday with 56% gain. So we have to watch out for a pullback. So what's the plan on Monday? You see what's happened here. And after hours, the price is pulled back. You know why? Because for BBIG, we have many back holders. What I mean by back holders, let me just show you what I mean. Look at this crazy dump down. The price actually went down from, let me just check, from the $150 until now almost $2. The price has been diluted even with reverse split. We have reverse split back in May, 11th of May, 1 to 20. So the stock has already been diluted. A lot of people average down around this level. That's why we have squeeze around the 16th of August last year, but the price got shorted once again and went down. And it's not just short seller that will prevent the price to get squeezed, but investors that actually hold the stock and average down last few years. So we have to be strategic. If you never trade BBIG, we have to think the hunter way of trading. If you're new here, guys, we always talk about hunting. What I mean by hunting is buying around the support, selling around the resistance. Yeah, you say, I know this is not new. The idea is buying around the strategic price value, is not averaging down or entering blindly on around any level. No, we talk about the strategic price value where a huge whale are hiding, where the price actually will reverse, will test this support. That's why we don't discuss any support. We discuss the support where we're gonna have interest from the whale and the market maker, smart money, whatever you want to call it, where we gonna have an entry with them. And this will be easier for us to make money and make a good trade. At the same time, we don't have to hold for a few years or a few months in order to have a huge pump. So we have to be really smart here, because as we said, there's a lot of back holders will prevent the price to go higher. However, in the time being, we need to hold over the $1.60 and the last bottom. If we don't want to have a sell-off and continuation down below the $1 once again, is the $1.37. So by pre-market Monday, we need to hold $1.61, preferably we have a gap over the $2. This will be the best indication for a huge pump for the next week for BBIG. Again, this is not financial advice, guys, but As we said, the $2 will be the first signal for the short covering, and another new traders coming in to buy once again over this resistance. If we have this scenario, if the market open over the $2 would be a good entry for have a reversal, making the $2 as a support, continue to the first profit taking around the $2.59. Let me just check how much we do just on Monday. We can do another 26%, 27%. This is just the first profit taking. We're gonna do update, of course, for BBIG if we broke this level, and we're gonna do live streaming, especially for BBIG and Imulan and the other stock that start squeezing, and our live streaming around 3 p.m. CET, where we always do our live streaming around this time. And of course, we're gonna do a pre-market update and chart analysis update, like when we did for Raven stock, when we actually said the entry for Raven around the $16 profit taken already hit around the 1772, 2160, and even around the 2469. This update we did it around the 29th of the last month in June. So this was a really good swing trade, and we updated Raven once again when we saw this breakout zone back on the 6th of July. So we do swing trade. After each live streaming that we finish, we have to update our level for mini stocks. So you can join us on our Patreon and our Discord in the link comment section below to have access to pre-market alert, especially on our Hunters channel. See you in the next update.